All right, we're back with some Lowheat and another edition of Keep or Sell. Today we have two Jordan High OGs. I really like Jordan Highs. I've said before in other videos. Right now I'm rocking what's on today's feet. I'm rocking some Jordan 1 Wheats. So yeah, two pairs of Jordans. Let's see what the first one is on the right. These are a pair of the Jordan 1 High Zooms with the white racer blue colorway, or as a lot of people were calling them initially, the Poor Diors. I really wanted to keep these because Jordans are notoriously not that comfortable. I think they're comfortable. Foot in the shoe. Yeah, they're not great for walking a ton, but that's what makes the Zoom Jordans cool, is they got the Zoom Air technology to make them more comfortable cushioning. So I don't really want to part with these. I had toyed with the idea of customizing them. It would be cool to, Virgil it here, put some quotes down here, Poor Dior's, or maybe get some Dior print, some actual Dior print, and custom the swoosh. But I don't know. With things that you procrastinate, it never happens. And I got to clear out room. I have too many shoes. So that's why we're doing keep or sell today. Too many shoes. Got to get rid of a pair. So that's what we're determining here. We're getting rid of these or these. The Pine Green Jordan 1s. Both of these released not too long ago, this year, 2020. And yeah, I like them both. Don't get me wrong. A big Jordan 1 fan. I like them both. Like the extra lace sets on both. I'd probably rock the stock laces first, the black and the white, but then would definitely be down to switch it up. I love contrasting laces, lace swaps. Big fan of that, so would definitely put these in around Christmas time maybe. I think those would be dope. And these laces would give these a bright pop. So I really like the Zoom Air technology on those. Really like the colorway. I love green. I love black. My two favorite colors. Just when I got these, why I'm even considering selling these, is just, I don't know, this leather quality doesn't seem great. It's not like super plush on these. I'm sure this has been talked about in like a million other shoe videos, sneaker videos, but like the leather doesn't seem super plush. It's kind of like the way they dyed these or painted them. They didn't paint them, but the way it's dyed just seems cheap all around. And this, I'm just not vibing with this leather and the shiny Jordan Wings logo. It all just kind of looks cheap to me. So if these Pine Greens were done with a level, with a more luxe quality, the level of some of the other Jordan collabs or Jordan releases, I think these would be a definite keep, and I wouldn't even be considering selling these. But just like look at I don't know, just look at the toe box there, and this type of leather, this really grainy type leather, and the dullness on this, I don't know. I'm okay with the red Nike Air there. That's okay. And I just the weird shiny Jordan logo. I'm so conflicted because I really like green and black. Really like Jordan 1s. This should be a home run for me. Definite keep. But I think it is really the dulled leather that it just has me questioning. So, that being said, on to decision time. Which ones should I keep? Which ones should I sell? I don't know. Give me your guys' opinions. These are definitely cleaner. So I'm not a huge patent leather guy. Definitely not a huge patent leather guy, but that doesn't mean it's a no-go. Just sometimes I'm not the hugest fan, and can just crease easily. But where they crease isn't patent leather, so that's fine. These are more comfortable. These are also reselling for more. These are reselling this size around $350, up to 400. And then these are selling closer to 300, my size. Now with people being indoors and not going outside, COVID and all, I actually haven't seen people wear shoes much at all because I haven't been outside. People have been outside, so I don't know. I would also consider like how many people are rocking these two because I like to be unique, you know. But I just can't take that into consideration because I haven't really seen any people wearing sneakers outside. So I don't know if like everyone has these and rocking them, or I don't know if everyone has these and are rocking them. And again, these were kind of looked at as like cheap Dior's. On one hand, that's a bad quality. On the other hand, I think that has them reselling for so much because they're a clean pair of the Zoom versions. I could also sell these, and in the future, if I wanted a pair of Zoom Jordan 1s, get them because they're pretty. This is the most expensive version. The Fearless versions that have come out are pretty affordable. The Zen Green one that came out recently, that you know what's funny? It's just Jordan 1s have been popping off. That one, the 3M hyper reflective purple one, it's kind of iridescent. That one was like sitting on shelves and you could almost find them on sale. Now they've gone up so much. I was going to say I could get those, but no, those have gone up. But I could, if I wanted a pair of Zoom Jordan 1s, get the Zen Green ones, which would be then this color, similar, green and black, but also comfy. Do I sell these both? That's potential. Sell these both. Get the Zen Green ones. Then I have a pair of green black ones and their Zoom Air technology in them to make them more comfortable. Maybe that's the play. Maybe that's the play, is sell both of these, get the Zen Greens and pocket a little cash to buy more sneakers in the future, or just, you know, I don't need that many shoes. Need to clear out. So as of now, you want a decision in the video, right? I think the decision is I'm going to sell these both. I think that's where we're at. I really like this color blocking, the color combo, but the leather isn't it for me. And I really like these, super clean, but I have some other white gray Nike Jordans. Shoot, I was going to dig through. Dang it, I don't have them. I have the NYC to Paris. Very similar, just not patent leather. And also, when making decisions whether to sell or hold, do you really love them? That's the question. You know, Marie Kondo, do you love it? Does it spark joy? These spark joy. These are the Nigel Sylvester collabs. These spark joy. Not selling these. Bought these at resale prices for like $450 or whatever. These spark joy. These do not spark joy. Should get rid of them. And yeah, because I have a similar colorway in the NYC to Paris that I've worn, definitely getting rid of those. These, not loving the leather, could get the Zen Green ones and then have more comfort. These spark joy, keeping these. That should be the decision. Do you love them? I don't love either of these. I'm getting rid of them. Selling them, clearing out some space, less stuff, more money, more cash. Can buy more sneakers in the future. Let me know what you think. Prefer these, sell them both. You like my decision, what you keep, and how do you make your decisions of what to sell and what to rock. Check out more Lowheat on my channel.